Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Claire and you are watching another episode of Spiritual Sundays, the series where I talk all about the deeper issues in life, from subjects related to mental health, human psychology, spirituality and so much more. If you're enjoying this series so far, please do remember to give these videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications buttons so that you don't miss any of the latest updates from me. And if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover in the future, please do pop them in the comments below or come and say hello to me over on Instagram. What does it mean to be feminine or have feminine energy? We associate it with women, but feminine energy is within each and every one of us, along with its opposite, masculine energy. We live in a world of duality, of polarity, opposites. Male and female, black and white, hot and cold, day and night. You get the idea. One pole cannot exist without the other. It's how we experience life. For most of us, we live more in either our feminine or masculine energy, or constantly switch between the two. Very rarely are they in balance. For me, being a business owner, I'm often in my masculine energy, always pushing forward, working hard, taking action. However, recently I've been craving connecting with that feminine part of myself, which I feel that I've neglected slightly over the years due to my experiences and societal pressure. It's this mindset that we should all be doing and achieving more. Feminine energy is not so much about doing, but rather receiving, being open to life and all the amazing opportunities that surround us every day. When we are in this type of energy, we have the ability to just go with the flow, listen to our intuition, express ourselves creatively, almost take a step back from life and enjoy what is without the pressure of just doing things to simply achieve an end goal. There are many traits associated with feminine energy, including showing empathy towards others, connecting with people, animals, nature, nurturing and healing, expressing emotions freely, finding joy in various sights, sounds, smells, tastes, colours, textures, appreciating and reveling over the little things that surround us every day, creating, dancing to the rhythm of life, laughing, loving, being free and wild. If you feel that perhaps you are working too hard, forcing things, making so much effort for very little return, perhaps it's time to tap back into your feminine energy again. Allow life to happen and what you want to come to you in its own time without the need to rush or force things. Trusting the process. All of us have to take a step back from time to time, replenish our energy levels and rest. I find this extremely difficult to do, particularly living in a culture that is dominated by masculine energy. However, now that I understand the importance of the divine feminine within, I'm learning to embrace it once again. For me, this means taking time out for myself each day, or at least a couple of times a week. Doing self-nurturing activities, taking care of my body without the need for it to look a certain way, putting on my favourite perfume, often before I go to bed, listening to music that makes me feel good, getting out into nature or at least simply watering my houseplants, singing, dancing, drawing, reading, sometimes just lying on my bed staring out of the window, allowing myself to get lost in fantasy for a while, imagining up my ideal life. Daydreaming and developing my imagination has always been a simple pleasure of mine, but I often got told off for it in the past. However, now I realise that it's actually quite an incredible thing to do, particularly when it comes to reality creation. I've learnt to say yes to life, be open to whatever may come my way, while still knowing that I always have freedom of choice. I can relax and enjoy the beauty of this present moment, trust that everything is working out perfectly. When I'm fully in this state, all my fears and worries begin to dissolve. I'm not constantly thinking about the future and what I have to do to get there. I'm allowing life to naturally unfold, watching things play out, almost like being an outside observer. Feminine energy is powerful, yet beautiful. What are you doing to embrace yours? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hoped you enjoyed it. Have a lovely week and I will see you again next time. Bye.